Hi, I am Manpreet, co-founder of the English Expo and your English instructor. And I have 3 reasons for you to join the English Expo. Either you want to crack your IELTS or you want to learn to speak in English confidently, the English Expo makes sure that you learn, number 1, fundamentals and basic concepts of writing, reading, and speaking. Number 2, you receive honest, detailed, and constructive feedback on your performance and progress. Number 3, you experience a smooth, effective, and interactive learning environment. So why wait? Visit us today and begin your journey to become a confident English speaker with English Expo.